Hi everybody, very good morning. First day of the week and almost last week for the year. Nifty is reached almost all-time high, but as we go forward, when I see the chart of Nifty and draw a trend line touching the tops of the recent highs, I find 12,350 to 12,400 on the Nifty spot is going to be a crucial level for the Nifty going forward. This is for one of the interesting thing which everyone has to note, because when markets are going higher and higher, we are under the impression that markets will further go higher, but definitely they may go higher, but 12,350 to 12,400 is definitely going to be a crucial zone for Nifty. The first signal that market might be getting little what you call uncomfortable, as Reliance has started correcting 2% from all-time high, which was recent highs around 1615, which was on Friday. From there, almost 30 to 35 points above, it has corrected today. So the support from Reliance as of today has come down. However, the Nifty chart or the Nifty market, if you see, the advances are definitely better. 33 out of 50 stocks are doing better compared to Friday closing, and 17 stocks out of 50 are doing negative compared to Friday closing. The breadth is decent enough as of now, but if you see the sector wise performance, if you see the Nifty Bank and Nifty PSU Bank, they are soft to negative. The strong sector currently looks like is the metal stocks like NMDC and all, which have made 52-week high today. So metal sectors have been giving very good support and strength to the market as of now, including Vedanta and Hindustan Zinc. So this is the current scenario of the market, and even the 52-week high stocks list is also decent enough as of now. DLF and APL Apollo, and if you come down, stocks like Motilal Oswal ETFs and Muthoot Finance, NMDC, Relaxo Footwears, all these stocks have made 52-week high. That is, the current price of these stocks are high compared to last 52 weeks highest price. That is the current scenario of the market. And the lows, that is the stock prices which are lower than last 1 year lows, are like Cox and Kings, Gujarat Narmada, Jain Studios, Hotel Leela. All these stocks are going down and down as we see in the current scenario. This is the current scenario of the market. So the last week or almost last 5 to 6 sessions to complete this particular year, definitely the market seems to be little uncomfortable or getting saturated for the current scenario. So be cautious, be careful, find out the right sectors and right stocks which can really withstand this pressure and move forward. Such stocks can give very good strength. Currently, if I take the case of silver and silver futures, they are doing extremely good, decent, which is almost 0.5% higher than Friday closing. This is one of the reasons why the stock markets which are weak is giving strength to the bullion market. Now if you see, the HDFC Bank is almost at all-time high and it is holding at that particular level at the current scenario. So trade well, find the opportunities well, use proper technicals, learn the applications well, and trade right. Happy trading. Thank you.